How to cultivate Cilembu honey potatoes in the home yard for beginners to succeed. Sweet potato or mantang or sweet potato is one type of tuber plant that is rich in carbohydrates. This tuber plant has the Latin name Ipomoea batatas. Classification of sweet potatoes. Kingdom, Plantae. Division, Magnoliophyta. Class, Magnoliosida. Order, Solanales. Family, Convolvulaceae. Genus, Ipomoea. Species, Ipomoea batatas. There are several types of sweet potatoes, namely purple sweet potatoes, yellow/orange yams, white yams, and there are also Cilembu sweet potatoes. Cilembu honey yam is a kind of native Indonesian sweet potato which was originally cultivated in the Sumedang area, West Java since the 1990s. But along with the development of agricultural technology, the Cilembu sweet potato can now not only be enjoyed by Sumedang people and even Indonesians. Many farmers have marketed Cilembu sweet potatoes overseas. The following is how to cultivate Cilembu honey potatoes in the home yard for beginners to complete success. 1. Preparation of Cilembu sweet potato seeds. Cilembu yams are a type of yam throughout the year and are a type of vegetable that is easily stored and can grow annually. Prepare Cilembu sweet potato which is old, good quality with the characteristics of not being affected by the disease and the skin is not wrinkled. Cut Cilembu sweet potato and stab it on the fourth side using a stick or toothpick. Soak the Cilembu sweet potato pieces into the water in the glass container or the used plastic bottle that has been cut into the top. Place it in the shade and leave it to grow shoots on Cilembu honey yams. Make a change of water in the glass every day to prevent the occurrence of fungi. After the shoots grow, you can do the selection of shoots or Cilembu honey sweet potato seeds. After germination, choose Cilembu honey sweet potato buds that have erect shoots and fresh green leaves. Let the shoots grow at a height of about 2 to 5 centimeters. 2. Seedling of Cilembu sweet potato seeds. Prepare a seedling container in the form of a poly bag or used paint container that is not used. Try to make the bottom of the container a small hole or gap. It aims to avoid the seeds from root rot later. After that, prepare the soil, husk charcoal, and fertilizer with a ratio of 2:1:1. Mix all the ingredients. Then put the planting media into a poly bag, then make a planting hole. Cut the part of Cilembu honey sweet potatoes that do not sprout, and separate the existing shoots. Enter the Cilembu honey sweet potato seeds into the nursery media. Take care until the seeds grow into seeds that are worth planting. Next, place it in a room with a temperature of around 28 to 30 degrees Celsius. This will help the process of seedling grow faster. 3. Planting Cilembu sweet potatoes. Clean the planting area from weeds or other disturbing plants. Then do the bubbling and fertilizing first so that the soil is rich in nutrients so that it can produce Cilembu sweet potatoes of good quality. Next, make beds on the ground as well as planting holes, then plant seeds in your planting media. If planting Cilembu honey in a pot, then only need to provide soil mixed with fertilizer in a ratio of 2:1. Put the mixed soil into a medium-sized pot and make a planting hole. Furthermore, planting honey Cilembu seeds in pot media, this method is somewhat more practical and economical because there is no need to do various other processes. 4. Care of Cilembu sweet potatoes. Do regular watering, every morning and evening. The watering is done as needed until the soil is moist only. Do not overdo it until it is pooled because it can cause root rot. So that the nutrients needed by Cilembu sweet potato plants are fulfilled, then do further fertilization. Fertilization is done by using organic fertilizers such as manure or compost. Fertilization can be done after 2 weeks of planting. Do weeding on the weeds that grow around the Cilembu sweet potato plants. Do also cut some of the shoots of the plants. This is to maintain cleanliness and regenerate Cilembu honey yams. 5. Panen period for sweet potato Cilembu. Harvesting of Cilembu sweet potato can be done in about 4 to 5 months after the planting period. How to harvest Cilembu sweet potatoes can be done pulling it or digging the soil in the planting media. To produce a delicious taste of Cilembu sweet potatoes must be harvested and selected from a quality crop and washed thoroughly until the skin texture of Cilembu sweet potato is smooth and light brown. After that, the sweet potato must be winded to remove the water that sticks to the surface of the skin. Clean Cilembu honey is put in an oven with a fairly hot temperature. Usually for cooking in the oven takes a long time, especially if the oven is used in a traditional oven. Thus our video discusses how to cultivate Cilembu honey sweet potato in the home yard for beginners to succeed. Hopefully the video that we present can benefit us all. Also watch our next video every day at 6 p.m. See you and thank you for visiting our channel.